Did you know that over 60% of businesses now use AI tools like ChatGPT to boost productivity and profits? Imagine what you could do in just 30 days. The potential of AI is transforming the way we work and earn. And I'm super excited to share with you how you can harness this power to generate a significant income. ChatGPT AI Bot is one of the most powerful tools out there, and when used correctly, it can be a game changer. In the next 30 days, you can make a substantial amount of money, $35,000 to be exact, and I'm going to show you how. The best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert or have any prior experience with AI. With the right approach, you can leverage ChatGPT to automate and streamline your income-generating activities, saving you time and energy while boosting your profits. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone looking to make some extra money online, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. For those who are new to the world of online income, the idea of making $35,000 in 30 days might seem like a pipe dream. But trust me, it's possible, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. So many people try to make money online but fail because they lack the knowledge, resources, or time. They might get stuck in the learning phase, struggle to come up with ideas, or simply don't know how to execute their plans. But the truth is, making money online is not that hard. You just need to have the right mindset, the right tools, and the right strategy. One of the biggest challenges people face is information overload. There's so much information out there, it's hard to know where to start. People often get stuck in the learning trap, where they spend all their time reading and watching tutorials, but never actually taking action. And when they do try to take action, they get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of work involved. Lack of resources is another major hurdle. Many people think they need to spend thousands of dollars on fancy software, courses, and equipment to start making money online. But that's simply not true. With ChatGPT AI Bot, you can start generating income with minimal investment. Time is another big constraint. People have busy lives, and it's hard to find the time to focus on making money online. But the beauty of ChatGPT is that it can help you automate many tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the things that matter most. Another challenge people face is the fear of failure. They're afraid to take risks, try new things, or invest in themselves. But the truth is, failure is an essential part of the learning process. Every successful person has failed at some point, and it's how you respond to those failures that matters. Then there's the lack of support. Many people try to go it alone, without a community or a mentor to guide them. But with ChatGPT AI Bot, you're not alone. You have a powerful tool at your disposal, and with the right strategy, you can overcome any obstacle. So, how can you overcome these challenges and start making money online with ChatGPT AI Bot? The key is to have a clear strategy, the right mindset, and the willingness to take action. You need to focus on high-leverage activities that generate the most income in the shortest amount of time. The first step is to identify your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What areas do you need to improve in? Once you have a clear understanding of yourself, you can start leveraging ChatGPT AI Bot to amplify your strengths and overcome your weaknesses. Next, you need to identify your target market. Who are you trying to help? What problems do they face? And how can you solve them? By understanding your target market, you can create content, products, or services that resonate with them. And that's when the magic happens. Once you have your target market, you can start creating valuable content using ChatGPT AI Bot. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even entire books. The key is to create content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. As you create more content, you'll start to build an audience, and that's when you can start monetizing. You can use ChatGPT AI Bot to create digital products, affiliate marketing campaigns, or even entire e-commerce stores. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about the most impactful technique that can lead to significant earnings with ChatGPT AI Bot. One of the most powerful strategies is content creation, specifically blog post creation. By using ChatGPT to generate high-quality, engaging content, you can drive massive amounts of traffic to your website, which can then be monetized through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Another powerful strategy is email marketing. By using ChatGPT AI Bot to generate targeted, personalized emails, you can build a loyal list of subscribers who are hungry for your content, products or services. But the most impactful technique of all is using ChatGPT AI Bot to create and sell digital products. This could be in the form of ebooks, courses, software, or even consulting services. By creating high-quality products that solve real problems, you can generate massive amounts of income. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on in the next 30 days. Let me share with you a success story from someone who used ChatGPT AI Bot to generate a six-figure income in just 30 days. They created a series of ebooks on topics ranging from fitness to finance and used ChatGPT to promote them on social media. The results were staggering, over 10,000 copies sold in just 1 week. So, what's the key takeaway from this? It's that ChatGPT AI Bot is a powerful tool that can help you generate a significant income, but you need to take action. You need to focus on high-leverage activities, create valuable content, and monetize your audience. To recap, making $35,000 in 30 days with ChatGPT AI Bot is possible, but it requires the right mindset, the right strategy, and the willingness to take action. You need to overcome the common challenges people face, leverage ChatGPT AI Bot to automate and streamline your income-generating activities, and focus on high-leverage activities that generate the most income in the shortest amount of time. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on using AI for income. Share your own experiences, ask questions, and let's continue the conversation. And if you want to learn more about monetizing technology, be sure to watch my next video where I'll share even more insights and strategies for generating income with ChatGPT AI Bot. Thanks for watching.